my YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. This video is to celebrate my milestone of 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. All I want to say to you guys is thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for actually getting me there. It has took a very long time. It has took all my effort, all my videos, everything I've tried to just try and entertain you guys, you know, and you persevered, you've gone through my videos, you stayed along with me, and to find that I've got over 1,000 subscribers has made me just woohoo happy. So yes, thank you so much guys for getting me there, 1,000 subscribers. So this of course is a 1,000 subscribers special. Now, I couldn't find anything really special, but then I thought, well, a lot of you guys do like the sofa demos, and also we're going to be doing it with one of my oldest vacuum cleaners ever, my 1930s Hoover dustette, pre-war. Now, as you hear from my voice, which is a bit poor to usual, I unfortunately suffered COVID. I have just gotten over it. I had a negative this morning. I'm feeling a lot better. I've got my voice back, but the last 7 days have been hell for me. I lost my voice, I had a sore throat, I had a hacking cough, my temperature went through the roof, and I lost all energy, and I honestly thought that I wouldn't pull through. However, my body persevered, my immune system got stuck in, and 7 days later we've got rid of the virus. Now I'll be back to normal in a couple of days, probably back to my old self in a week's time. So that's why I sound a bit croaky and sound a bit odd. Silly Sid doesn't sound himself today. I've had COVID. But guys, I'm okay now, I've got my energy back, I've got my voice back, and I'm ready to do this special. So, enjoy. So there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, that's why me and Dorian, Hoover Looks, check out his channel. They're going to be playing with it and restoring it. There is definitely something wrong with the fans in there. As you heard when I turned them, it's definitely grinding something in there. Sounds really nasty. And you know, I didn't really want to take these up and do the whole sofa and take them off. I didn't really want to push her. She is from the 1930s. She's kind of old, and I didn't really want to have a YouTube video where a vacuum cleaner blows up on camera. Especially this old girl. I didn't really want that. So we only did a short one for you guys. Apart from that, good suction. Good suction from the 1930s here. Very nice to see that big fat bag inflate. So yes, sorry it's not a very exciting video for my 1000 subscriber special, but it's all I can do at this present moment of time. However, in the future, you never know, I might get something special, like a mini dryer or a commercial SeaBo, or my Kirby D80 all restored. Yeah, we'll see. That they will be coming. They will be in the future. But for now, we're just gonna have to play with what we've got. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for getting me to 1000 subscribers. It means the absolute world. Honest to God, stay with this channel, keep watching my old videos. There's over 180 videos on my channel. Go back down there and have a look at them all. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.